long now.
Wow, guys.
There we go. Wow. Thank you, Heather. I hope you're doing okay. Heather from Australia, brilliant stuff. Essential Max saying amazing startup sound. Beautiful.